Y'all, where's my remote? I gotta pause this shit. When I'm telling y'all, nigga, I'm geeked. When I'm telling y'all I'm geeked, look what time it is, bro. Nigga, I was just about to lay down, but it's time to get up now, you know what I'm saying? We just made 10 bands in one trade, bro.
I'm a young nigga that can tell them no, I don't give a fuck about shit. Tryna fight when you see around me, niggas better watch they.
10 bands in one trade? Nigga. Y'all must not know, bro. Y'all must not know. Y'all must not know where I came from, you know what I'm saying? Bro, it was just last year, I was scared to do a standard one lot, bro. One. Nigga, last year, I made my first 1,000 in one trade around April. Guess what I was doing last year, bro? I was in a Tex-Mex restaurant, freaking, what's it called? Cleaning the, bro, I'll show y'all. I was in a Tex-Mex restaurant cleaning the tortilla chip machine, bro. You know what I'm saying? Knowing one day, bro, I'm gonna kill this trade and shit. And you telling me I just made 10 bands in one trade? And I kid you not, I just got in a trade too. Like, bro, I think I made 10 bands in like 10 minutes, 15 minutes tops, bro. Like, I was just over there finna lay down, bro. I'm about to show y'all the play, bro. This is mad crazy, bro. Like, niggas instantly had to get up and start recording. Like, what? Bro, I look popped. Hey, shout out to my nigga Mo and Imported Royalty, you know what I'm saying? I fuck with this shirt. I'm finna put the Cardi's on. Hold on, man. Gotta put the Cartiers on. Hold on. Gotta put the buffs on, bro. What? Bro, we just made 8K the other day, right? We just made 8K the other day, and we just did 10. Bro, that's 18K in 1 week, bro. We gotta put the Cardi's on. Hold on. Gotta put the buffies on. Gotta put the buffies on. You feeling like money, you know what I'm saying? Y'all, look at this. Y'all, look at this. Look at this. Look at this, y'all. Y'all see it, 10K in one trade. Nigga, talk to me nicely, bruh. Look, we just did 8,000 earlier this week. Boy, that shit is a lie, boy. We done made more than 8.7. Cause I just did 8 and I just did 10. Stop the cap. I don't know how to, I don't know how to refresh. Yeah, I don't know how to work this shit. But y'all see, we just hit 10, bro. You feel me? I just showed y'all. I'm gonna turn off the phone record. While that's uploading, bro, let's go ahead and start the screen record on the computer, bro. Cause bro, I gotta show y'all this shit. This is crazy work. Crazy work. Like, when I'm telling y'all, I was just finna lay down and just watch Mortal Kombat until I like take a little quick nap until I get up at like 6 o'clock. And I see this fat, bro, and I see this fat, bro, I see this fat bullish engulfing candle. And I'm like, hold on. Cause I just put my stop loss in my take profit. And it was damn near closer to take profit. And my take profit was 22K. I'm looking like money. Hold on, you know, damn, Buffy Griff. Yo, hold on, I gotta get this on Snapchat, bro. Because my Snapchat is where all of my memories is at. Like, the memories I just showed y'all from Snapchat. Y'all, we just made 10 bands in one trade. And we doing it for the tube, my nigga. Hey, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We just made 10 bands in one trade. And we doing it for the tube. The current record, it just started. So, yeah, let me open it, bro. Like, what? Let me full screen this, John. Y'all, look at this, bro. It's crazy because I just drew this stuff up. And I was like, bro, like, this is a good setup. And I just got an alert from Euro USD that my alert went off, so I know for sure. I was in Euro USD too, bro, and I think like whenever my alerts go off, it's halfway through the stop loss, so that joint is reversed on Euro USD. Somebody got cooked by that, John. Whoever was in Euro USD and thought it was gonna do what? Let's go look. I promise y'all it's just in this trade. Damn. It just wicked like that? Damn. Oh, nah. But anyways, let's get to the money trade. Y'all look at this, John. Wait, did it wick like that? That was a wick that I caught? Yo. Oh, this is the wrong pair. I was about to say. Y'all, look at your screen. Oh my goodness. Look at this beautiful setup, bro. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. So I think I drew the Fibonacci on the daily. Yeah, the Fibonacci was on the daily, I think. Bro, look, it's just like how we caught the other pair. Look, it wicked off the 38. You knew what time it was. I seen that happen. Look, it shot through the 27 and the 61, bro. Talk to me nicely, bro. Look at the setup. Look. Griff, run the clip. Cause I said in one of my videos when USDCHF shoot, that motherfucker, shoot. Bro, I literally told y'all. Tweezer bottom, yo, I'm in for buys. And then I think I'm doing a 9. So I think I'm risking like 9K for like 22 something. I don't know. I literally told y'all. So y'all really gotta pay attention to what I be saying, really be locking in. Bro, I could hold this into 22K, take profit. Bro, listen. Bro, what y'all gotta realize what this trading shit is. Bro, somebody come up to you and put 10K in your face and be like, if you want it, it's yours, nigga, grab it. Pause. But here, 10K right here. Bro, I know 90% of y'all is taking that 10K. So that's how that's how I do with this trading shit. Bro, I got 10K, nigga, I'm taking it, nigga, thank you. Thank you, my baby. Thank you. Bro, this is crazy. Like, just look at this though. Like, bro, I'm telling you 10K in 15 minutes, y'all. Bro, I just got in the trade, bro. Not 15 minutes later. These niggas threw me 10. I'm taking it, nigga. I'm taking it, nigga. I'm taking it. Pause. Bro, 10K in 15 or 10 minutes before you go to your 9 to 5. Bro, nigga, if I wanted to, I don't have to go to work today, my nigga. But I'm going to, because I'm disciplined. I'm not going, bro, like, I'm going to work a regular job until I'm 25. I'm saying that now, but it might not, but like mentally, after 25, I never work a 9 to 5 again. So you know what I'm saying? I don't know. That's just how I train my mindset not to be lazy. You feel me? Like, but yeah, this is crazy though. It's already at 10 minutes. We got the buffs on, you feel me? Buffy Griffin the building, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, it's already 10 minutes. Y'all know I don't like to make long videos, so without further ado, hit that like button. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next video, man. This is crazy.
Shot 13, missed all the shots, that boy pigeon-toed. White bitch giving beak, she got a pigeon nose. I be on different shit, cause I got different goals. I can't beef with a nigga that wear women clothes. Shit a damn shame, hoes, y'all should let him fuck. Fuck Valentine's, baby, you just get nut. If she ain't taking that, look, shit, that's tough. I couldn't give her back shots cause her back buff.